Union is a strength. Sons are quarreling with each other. Once upon a time, there lived a man in a village. His name was Zain. Zain had 5 sons. All the 5 sons were hardworking and noble, but they lacked unity. Zain always advised his son to live united, but the sons turned a deaf ear to his advice. That is why Zain remained worried all the time. Zain hit upon an idea. One day Zain hit upon an idea. He said to his each son to bring a wood from jungle. All 5 brothers went nearby jungle and brought the wood. Zain took all the wood and tied with a rope. Zain said to his son to break the bundle of sticks one by one. Now he said to his son to break the bundle one by one. First of all, the eldest son of Zain took the bundle and tried to break it. He tried his level best to break the bundle, but all in vain. Then the second brother came and tried to break the bundle, but failed. All the brothers tried to break the bundle in the same way, but no one succeeded. Zain's sons at once broke the woods. Now Zain and said his son to untie the woods. Then he gave each son a wood and said, "Now try to break the woods." Zain's son at once broke the wood. Zain advised his son, "Look, you could not break the woods until they were untied, but when they separated, you broke them easily." All brothers were listening carefully. They understood their father's advice. One of them said, "Father, we have understood your advice now. We will live united and we will never quarrel." The youngest son said, "Brother is right. We have come to know that union is strength." Moral of the story: union is a strength. Disunity is always harmful for us. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.